Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and today we're on Harris's 200 Sunliner. This is a beautiful boat, and I can tell you one thing about Harris. This is way above what the competition offers as far as quality and fit and finish. First thing I want to show you, though, that this isn't not just a regular pontoon. This is a tri-toon, which means it has a center sponson on it, or a center hull on it, and that center one is dropped a little bit lower than the outside one. So what that does is that gives you almost the ride of a V-hull design, rather than just having a pontoon on each side. So that increases your performance, it increases your fuel economy, and it definitely gives you a better ride. When you step on board here, you can see one of the things you'll notice is we don't have two little tiny hinges on here. We've got a nice big, what's called a piano hinge, goes top to bottom. And so that gives a lot of support for the gates on a pontoon boat. Lift that up and that locks back in place. You can feel the quality in the upholstery on the Harris. You look and see how much cushion there is in the seats on this boat, and just look around at the space on this for a 20-foot boat and how comfortable it is too. Look at the nice armrest that we've got right here. And we've got the same thing over on the other side. Of course, we have storage underneath the seats on this boat too. Stainless steel drink holders all over the place. You can never have too many drink holders. Taking a look underneath the console, big storage area underneath there. That's where your table is stored as well. And then look at this captain's chair on this. I mean, that looks like something that's out of $1 million RV. Nice fold down armrests on it. It swivels, it slides back and forth. The steering wheel tilts. This has a Polk audio sound system in it. That's top of the line marine sound system in this boat. Again, you're going to like the way that you fit in this, the ergonomics with it. Your hand fits right on the throttle where it's supposed to. The other hand rests directly on the steering wheel. Your gauges are clear right in front of you. Again, you've got a couple of drink holders up there. Nice big L-shaped seating back here in the back. Again, great seats with armrests. This seat right here, if you're pulling tubes or a skier or something like that, look how great this seat would be for a spotter, for a skier. The Bimini tops on the Harris are really big. If you look at how high quality this is too, the stainless steel hardware that's on here, not plastic fittings. Also where they go into the attach on here, super sturdy. Stainless steel right here as well too. Again, not plastic fittings. You can look on the pontoon boat next to us and see exactly how big these Bimini tops are. Give you tons of shade if you want it. If you don't want the shade, you can move to the front of the boat and sit in the sun if you'd like. Again, going through the aft gate, lift it up, big piano hinge on there. Aft facing seat right here. This particular one's equipped with the tow arch back in the back. So you can pull your skiers, your tubes, wakeboarders, anybody from that pulling point right there. And then when they're ready to get out of the water, look at the size of the swim ladder on this thing. Talk about super easy to get out and super comfortable. Look how big that ladder is, how wide it is. That's going to drop nice and deep down in the water. This is just a gorgeous pontoon boat, a big step above our competition. I'm Grant. Come see me at MarineMax today.